putty tat. He's always chasing me. Oh, this has been such a bad day.
Hey, Tweety.
Hi, Daffy.
Can I talk to you bird to bird?
Of course.
There's this Bugs Bunny. He's always making me so sad.
At least you don't have a putty tat on your feathers all the time.
No, he's a bunny, not a putty. What's a putty tat?
Oh, you don't want to know.
Oh. But I'm just so angry all the time. Why am I so mad?
It's tough being a bird.
I know, I agree.
Wait, how does the kitty have so much energy all the time?
I don't know.
I saw him doing something interesting yesterday.
What was he doing?
He was sniffing something. A flower.
Flower?
Yeah.
That's stupid. That's stupid.
I'll go get it and see if it really works.
No, it won't work.
Stay here, Daffy. I believe in it.
Oh, I don't think it's going to work.
Here's that flower I was telling you about.
I think it's stupid. A flower isn't going to make you happy.
Just wait. Let me sniff it.
What?
Oh, you gotta try this stuff.
What? No, I'm not going to sniff the flower.
It's really happy making,
No.
I promise. Daffy, just do it.
No.
Please.
Okay. I'm so happy.
Me too. This is the best day ever.
The best day ever.
Everyone.
We have to tell everyone. I just took the best thing ever.
What's that, Cookie Monster?
Cookies.
Well, I should have known.
No, they're special cookies.
What do you mean?
They're summer cookies.
Soma cookies?
Yeah.
What are they like?
Amazing. Try one.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Me too.
Oh, these are the best things ever.
I know, I told you so.
This is great stuff.
This is great stuff.
Are you sad and depressed like we were?
Then try Soma.
Or Soma cookies.
They're very, very yummy. Or you can try a Soma flower.
It's now located in your local grocery store near you. Soma! Yeah, I love Soma! Yay, Soma! Woo! Soma! Daffy duck. Daffy duck.
Cookie.
Daffy.
Cookie
duck.
Monster.
Daffy.
Cookie.
Daffy.
Cookie.
Daffy.
Cookie 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 Monster.
Daffy.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Cookie. Cookie Monster.
Daffy.
Cookie.
Daffy.
Cookie.
Daffy.
Cookie Monster.
Daffy.
Cookie. Cookie Monster.
Singing our song all day long in the brand new world. Woo!
I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Happiness is finding a pencil. Pizza with chocolate. Chocolate. Pizza with